Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the Instagram DM not working problem. Let's start it. For that, first of all, you have to turn your airplane mode on, wait for 3 seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, open up your app store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen, open up settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside here, tap on Instagram and then simply select offload app. Now tap on offload app again. Offloading the application will free up the storage used by Instagram and will also help you to clear the cache. After that, head back to your home screen, open up a browser. In the search bar, search for down detector. And now, simply search for Instagram. If many people have the same issue, wait for Instagram to fix it. You can also try logging out of your account and then log back in again. That is how you can fix Instagram DM button not working. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.